Each individual has a unique purpose. People only begin to fulfill their creative potential when they have a high degree of alignment in their lives. That is, when their pursuit and conscious goals are in line with their own purpose. Have you ever asked yourself, what is your purpose in life? Alright, forget about your purpose. Have you got any idea where do you want to see yourself 10 years from now? Let's assume you have been given everything to construct a house: land, material, labor, and money. Can you construct a house? What kind of house will you construct? What you need first to start the construction? A blueprint. Do you have a blueprint of your life? If you don't have blueprint in a piece of paper to construct a house, you will start with something in your mind. But after some time, your mind may change. Moreover, if all the pillars and walls are not aligned, you may not get the desired house. In the same way, all of us have got 365 bricks in a year and 366 in leap years. Where do you put your daily actions if there is no blueprint? Whatever comes up, we take that issue without any prior and proper planning, as if placing one brick here and another brick there without any proper blueprint. As we take our daily action without any plan, we don't get much constructive result. To succeed in life, a blueprint or plan, or you can say written goal, is must. Every bit of human progress, our inventions, big or little, our medical or engineering discoveries, and every business success was first visualized before they became realities. A goal is an objective or the end purpose. A goal is more than a dream. It's a dream of being acted upon. Goals are essential to success as heir to life. The important thing is that it's not where you are but where you want to get. A progressive organization plans company goal 10 to 15 years ahead. Executives who manage leading business houses ask themselves, where do we want our organization to be 10 years from now? The organization don't leave their future to chance. Should you? A research was conducted in Yale University. In 1953, a questionnaire was circulated to the graduating seniors at Yale University. They were asked the question, do you have clear, specific, written goals for your life? And have you developed complete plans for their accomplishment after you leave this university? The result of the survey were surprising. Only 3% of the seniors had clear written goals and plan for what they wanted to do when they left the school. 13% had goals but had not written them down. The other 84% had no goals at all except to get out of the school and enjoy the summer. 20 years later, in 1973, the surviving members of the Yale graduating class were surveyed again. Among the other questions, they were asked, what is your net worth today? When they totaled and averaged the result of the survey, they found that the 3% who had clear written goals and plans when they left the university 20 years before were worth more in terms of dollars than the 97% put together. And goal setting was the only characteristic that the top 3% had in common. The one common denominator of the most successful graduates was that they had been intensely goal-oriented from the very beginning. Therefore, written goals are essential to succeed in life. Growth or improvement in life is infinity, but we have to close the loop to be time-bound to achieve certain goal in a specific period of time. Most of the people say, I want to achieve so and so, but never specifies within what period of time. There is timer, it's always ticking. Right now, as you are listening to this talk, the time is passing by. After some time, it will be past. So, we do have a past and a future. The present time is very small and we have to take action in the present or now to achieve whatever we want to achieve.